Let's fix a VPN if it's not working. Now, if you're on a VPN or you're trying to connect to a VPN, maybe it's not working, it's not routing your traffic through another server in another country or another state, wherever. I'm going to show you how to get it working. Now, you can see here, I downloaded this random free VPN. It doesn't necessarily matter which one. You can follow these steps no matter which VPN you specifically use or have. Here, I'll exit out of this ad. So mine looks like this. Maybe you're pressing that button and it's really not connecting. There are a few different steps that you can go through. The first thing that we'll want to do is just swipe down from the top right, and we'll want to make sure we have a good internet connection for the VPN to connect to. So you can toggle off Wi-Fi, you can go back to mobile data or cell data, you can turn it back on if you were on mobile data. Basically just switch your internet connection and then try it again. Now, if that doesn't work, the next step that you can do is just try to restart your phone. So tap and hold the power and the volume up, and we'll just slide to power off that phone. Now, going through those steps, if that still doesn't fix it, the last thing that you can do is just to delete that VPN configuration on your phone and then reinstall it. A lot of times that fixes any kind of bugs. So let's go into our settings here, and we'll scroll down and tap on General. And then scroll down again and tap on VPN and device management. Now here you can see is my VPN. I can tap on it. And then you can see VPN Super. I can tap on that little I. Now this will give me the ability to delete the VPN. I just tap delete VPN. This will delete that configuration for my iPhone. And then all I have to do is open that app again. It will recognize that that VPN configuration was deleted. And let me exit out of here. And it will go through the steps of trying to connect it. It says you have to add it again. I can hit allow, enter in my password here, and then skip ads. And now you can see it is reconnected to that VPN, and hopefully that fixes any of your issues. Hope this helps. If you have any questions on that, leave them in the comments down below, and I'll catch you on the next one.